more than you can afford, my brother. It's all right. It gets. I leave the traction control off, so I can always get a little. You notice the little slides?
Oh, yeah.
Slides are good. Only way to drive it. You didn't hear it yet? Bang, bang!
Often, yeah.
I'll give it to you right here.
Okay.
You're gonna get a good one right now.
Alright.
So what supercar are you buying?
Nothing yet, but in the near future,
Lambo or Ferrari?
488 maybe? Yeah.
Good choice.
Yeah.
Good choice.
Say Tesla. Yeah, don't get mad at me.
Although you do look good in the white, Gallardo. Not bad. Next to you.
Yeah, come on.
オースティンに着きました。すごくいい街ですね。もう天気もいいし、なんかダウンタウンの方なんだけど、すごくなんかなんていうのかな、なんていい雰囲気がいいですね。雰囲気がいいです。Richard.
Sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I love that shirt, man. I
Thank
really,
you very
really
much.
do. Hey, it's my first time here, Richard, and I got to tell you, I'm enjoying the vibe. It's nice.
Yes, Austin is really cool. In fact, let me introduce you to Logan. Logan, come talk.
Logan.
Tell 'em about Austin.
Thank you.
Hello.
We got Uncle Rudy's in the house, too. Hey, man, you know about Austin, don't you? Rudy and I are beginners in Austin, so
yeah,
give us a little intake on the. I like the vibe I'm feeling.
Austin's vibes are very, very laid back. Everyone's very happy. Everyone's very welcoming of everything.
Okay.
It's a very great place to be. Love the environment here.
Is this the California of Texas?
It
a couple
is the
people have said to me.
California of Texas.
Okay.
I would 100% agree.
Got it.
Yes. Oh, we're running.
I like it though, man. I really feels. I don't know. There's a nice vibe.
It is. I love it.
And the
here.
night is perfect.
I love it
So
here.
thanks for bringing us, man.
Yes, sir.
おはようございます。今駐車場の、中にいます。車が開いてるんだけど鍵がありません。昨日洗車のお兄さんはどこに、あれルーディが見つけてくれたのかな。 Did you find him? Yes, Rudy saves the day. Good morning, Mr. Marcus. How are you?
Good.
Did you have fun on the rally?
Oh, I had a blast. It was insane.
Was that not a great time? Your hat, by the way, nice hat.
Nice hat.
Very nice hat, I must say. Hey, I got bad news. Now that we got the key back, that's good news. But the bad news is everybody else left.
Oh,
And they'll trip off all the cops going fast, and guess who's going to get the ticket?
not me.
Steve POV. Not me either, I hope.
We can catch up.
Anyway, yeah, let's take it slow, right? Isn't that your words?
Take it slow.
Steve, slow down. みんなやっぱり大食いスーパーカーのもうガソリンを入れることです。これからファンの人たちが来たり、Hey there! みんな集まってきてます。すごいことになってますねえ。スーパーカーばっかりで Yo yo! ね、いいねいいね。これから3時間ちょいの道かな、4時間かぐらいかな。これからもう出口のことをみんな心配してます。やっぱりここを見るとスーパーカーにはよろしくない出口になるよね。これはこれなんとなくこれはねやっぱり吸ってしまうので、どこみんなバックしてあっちから出ることになるのかな。
Steve's POV.
That's me.
Oh my God! There he is, everybody.
I know you. I know that hat.
I know that dude.
I know that dude. Hey, bro. Oh, he barely.
Woo!
Okay, should I jack up my bags?
Yeah.
Got it.
I'm here at one of the biggest gas stations I've ever seen in my life, Buc-ee's. Where are we at in Texas? Somewhere in Texas. This is insane. Look at the size of this place. This is insane.
皆さんバッキーズ寄りました。今帰り道なんだけど、このスタンド、このところが最高。すごい人が多くて、車好きな人も駐車場にもいて、でも見て、もうチキンからステーキ何でもある、お菓子もある、すごいところです。
Texas size.
There you go. You need a Texas size beef and pork fried sausage drink.
I could spend weeks in here.
とんでもない人がいます。このスタンドに。このバッキーズは世界一、大きなスタンドじゃないでしょうか。見て、あのバッキーマークが中に人がもういすぎて、スタンドも一つも埋まってる、全部埋まってます。空いてるところは一つもありません。すごい、お店、すごい人、Hello Hello、すごい知り合いもかっこいいバイクもスーパーカーも、もうここはね前から覚えてる。アイス、この中にある氷が いっぱいあるんだよね。ここはどうしたんだろう、なんで開いてるんだろう、溶けちゃうんじゃないかって。ああ、壊れたのかな。もったいない。パッケージアイス20パウンド分が99セント。こういう風に開けて中でレジで払うことになるのかな。すんげえスタンドです。あれ、昔のカプリースかインパラなのかな、あそこにあるのは。面白い。さらにアイスがあって、お菓子があって、キャンディーがあって、ガソリンがあって、一つの観光地になってるバキーズです。すんげえ。このスケールはどこにも負けません。ルリと変わりました。今運転してもらってます。初めて。彼はフェラーリは初めてじゃないかもしれないけど、スーパーカーは初めてじゃないけど、俺の車初めて運転してるんで、どうですか、かっこいいルリは。How's it feel, Rudy? Good job. Nice. Like a Ferrari should, right? Nice, nice, nice.
What a car!
What do you think?
Love it.
Want one?
Yeah. I need one of these.
Rudy's World needs one. 最後の満タンです。あと40分ほど戻ります。自分のところに、家に。楽しい、イベントでした。楽しい時間。最後の最後まで面白い車の隣に偶然にガソリンを入れに来て、最後の満タン。友達と一緒にできて、もうすごい楽しかったことを、アンクルルーディが来てくれた。すごい楽しい3日間でしたね。Great 3 days, huh?
Unbelievable.
Is that unbelievable 3 days? And you got to drive the car a little bit.
Yeah.
I got to go to the bathroom, and we're heading on last leg home.
We're almost home.
Nice, man. So much fun. Thanks for coming.
All right.